Alright, welcome back to this channel. Today is Monday, lots of volatility expected due to the banking crisis, so-called banking crisis, right? So, as I've mentioned in the previous video, I was looking for price to take out the daily CB, at least tap into it, right? But it left it there untapped, right? And right now we have this low here as well. It's untapped as well. So this is getting pretty interesting right here. This morning session, right, market open 9:30, should be a rough and exciting market. So I'll be there observing, and I would like to see which side of the liquidity it attacks first. This gray area here, there's two gray lines, is the weekend opening gap, okay, and this right here is the 1 hour right now turned into balanced price range, okay, but I don't think this is gonna matter much due to the volatility that I'm expecting. So I'll just keep it here for reference, and I'll look to see what's gonna happen during Monday. I mean later on, around like 2 hours later. Right now in the pre-market, you can see that the bank shares, like stock prices of banks, have been falling rather quickly, and it's exciting to be on that chart, right? But right now, as you can see, I'm on the ES chart. I'm just waiting for price action to play out, okay? And I think I'll just give a brief analysis, right? I'm not sure what's gonna happen. I'm guessing pretty much manual intervention is gonna come in during this type of volatility to take out both sides of the markets, okay? So what I'm looking at right now, right here we have SMT. Dow Jones took out this low here, whereas Nasdaq and ES left this low. So we could see some deep retracements up, right? And or maybe continuation down. But what I'm thinking is, if we hit this sell side first, okay, if we hit this first, then I'll be looking for longs into this area here. Pretty simple, right? If it hits this area first, the daily CB, I'll be looking for shorts down into this area. And that's the game plan for today, for Monday, okay. I'll let the opening range play out. That means I'll be looking for trades between during the London close. I think that's for today, that would be one of the timings that I would much prefer, because I'm more experienced in that time period, okay. So we shall see what's gonna happen, right? We could have, I'm not sure what it's gonna do, but I'm just gonna observe, okay. I'm not gonna give scenarios, okay. The two scenarios that I've given is the extreme ends of the scenario, so it's very simple, okay. And I think that's it for today. That's it for this video, right? And I think, alright, let's talk about just a little bit about DXY. DXY right here, as long as I don't see the bodies closing below this lows here, I think that this is just a stop hunt, okay. I'm not sure if it's gonna tap into that weekly balanced price range. It could, the lines highlighted in blue, it could, but it does not, it doesn't have to, okay. That's what I'm looking at as well, right? As long as DXY can close above the swing lows here, I'm thinking the near term objective is still right here. The problem now is everybody's leaning bullish after hearing that the Fed is gonna bail out the banks and stuff and whatnot. But I like that sentiment shift because initially everyone was bearish, right? When everyone was bearish, I was contemplating if we were gonna take out this low right here, right? Because the thing is that the majority always lose in the casino, okay? So I do not want to be the majority, I want to be the minority. So right now, after rumors has it, I'm not sure if it's official, but if it is, then I think the sentiment right now is changing to bullish, right? Oh, they're saying like the Fed's gonna bail out the banks and they're gonna start QE, right, to bail out those banks. Okay, all right. If they turn on the money printer and that's it, we're going bull. We're going to the new bull cycle. Okay, that's what everybody's talking right now on social media, and I like that because that I want to counter trade that. I want to counter the sentiment, right? I always want to go against the sentiment, right? So let's see how this plays out. This is gonna be very interesting, right? It's my first time experiencing this type of phenomenon. Can you put it that way, right? Or this type of trading day, right, whereby you have lots and lots of uncertainty with a black swan event. So I'm very curious to see what's gonna happen. Okay, and I think yep, I'll close the video right here. Okay, right, the 15 minutes chart doesn't look too good. This is a bullish fair value gap, took out this swing high here, so I think we're going lower. If price continues to close below this current BC right here, okay, and yeah, that's it for today. I mean this video. Good luck trading today, and don't burn yourself.